Welcome to this step-by-step assembly guide in harnessing the JAE JB12 connector. This video walks through the complete process, from cable preparation to final torque. We will be demonstrating on the JB12 receptacle, and the same harnessing process can be repeated for the plug connector. Along with this visual guide, always refer to the JAE handling manual for step-by-step instructions as well. Before starting, identify all components. Ensure all parts match the JB12 connector components. Set your torque wrench to the specified torque range. Ensure the correct JB12 code specific locator is installed in the crimp tool. Using the proper locator is critical for reliable contact termination. Begin by loosening and separating the rear gland nut from the main connector shell. While paying attention to the direction of mounting, slide the gland nut, cable clamp, and bushing onto the cable before any termination steps are performed. Strip approximately 11 mm for X code and 13 mm for D code of the outer cable jacket. Take care not to damage the braided shield or internal conductors during stripping of the outer cable jacket. Once the outer jacket is removed, carefully fold back the braided shield evenly around the cable. Next, remove the aluminum shield layer to expose the internal twisted conductors. Separate the internal conductors in preparation to terminate the crimp contacts. Depending on the JB12 connector being assembled, the cable will contain either 4 wires for D code and 8 wires for X code. Strip each conductor between 3.5 to 4 mm, exposing enough copper for proper contact crimping while avoiding excess exposed wire. Insert the exposed conductor into the contact barrel until the wire is fully seated. Place the contact into the crimp tool locator, ensuring the contact is properly aligned before crimping. Repeat this process for all remaining conductors. Clip each terminated contact into the insulator clip in the correct position. Push each contact forward until fully seated and locked into place. Gently pull back on each wire to confirm proper contact retention into the insulator clip. Install the outer insulator cover over the populated inner insulator. Ensure the cover is fully seated and aligned correctly with the insulator clip before proceeding. Once assembled, move the exposed braided wires to optimally slide the bushing forward toward the rear of the insulator assembly. Fold the braided shield evenly over the outside of the bushing. Install the retention ring over the bushing to secure the shield braids. Trim excess shield material as needed to maintain proper fit and prevent interference during final assembly. Slide the connector housing over the insulator assembly until the housing firmly meets the bushing. Slide the cable retention clip over the bushing and verify that all keyed ridges are fully engaged. Thread the end bell onto the rear of the receptacle housing. Using a calibrated torque wrench, tighten the assembly to the specified torque value. Proper torque is important to ensure environmental sealing, cable retention, and long-term connector reliability. Inspect the completed assembly to confirm all contacts are fully seated, housing components are secure, and all connector keys are aligned correctly. This completes the assembly process for the JAE JB12 receptacle harness.